So first we are going to make a slip knot, because we're going to make a base bag first. Okay, so it depends to you if how long, because I'm going to measure this one, this kind of size. Actually, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So let's make 15 chains. Okay, let's make 15 chains, or let's add 5 chains, so total of 20 chains. 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 chains, this will be our 20 chains. So the only you have to do is, after you make like this, we have to add, okay, we have to add 1 2 3 and insert here. Okay, insert here, then make a one double crochet, then another, let's make 6, 3 4 5 6. So we made 6 double crochet. Then after that we are going to continue 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, we'll see if what will gonna happen for our bag. So once you reach here, okay, we're closer. So we are going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, 5 double crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we make 5. So after that we are going to insert our hook in the next step, in the next chain. It depends to you guys. If you want to make also the same here, 6 and 6 here, you can also. So okay, let's make, we have 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So let's add 1, so we have 6 double crochet. Then we are going to step in here in the next chain, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Just make 1 double crochet in each stitch. then until here. Then I'm gonna show you the next step. Then after this, guys, after this we're going to insert, or you can make like this. It depends to you. Actually, it depends to you on how you close it. Okay, you can make also like this kind of strategy. Okay, then after that you can take it from here. Depend to you if you don't like you know, messy. Okay, yung parang hindi madumi na gawain. Pagkagawa ba? Sige, 1, 2. Okay, we make 2 chains actually. Then after that, it depends to you, right? So it depends to you, or let's make 3 chains or 2 chains. Then continue your work. Try to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, let's go back like this, right? Make also like this. You can make like that also. Then make 3 chains. 2, 3. Then make double in the same chain or in the same stitch. Okay, then continue the next stitch. The same, you have to make 2 double crochet. Ay, sorry, mali. Tama pala yan. Then make like that. Then the same stitch, make another. Okay, just make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Until you finish until here. Okay, until here. Okay, until here. On this side, in this chain, until here. Then this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one, as you can see. Then after you make that, so continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch, then until here also, until here. So until here, until here. Then in this side, we can make another 2 double crochet in each stitch. So continue to make 1, 1, then 1, then until here. Okay, then I'll be back. So we are now closer. Then in this side, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so we're going to make 2 each here. Okay, we're going to make 2 each, and yeah, the same here, right? We make 2, so we're going to make 2. The same process here and here, so also until here. So I'll be back. Then continue until here, then you are going to connect also here. Okay, then after that, just connect in here. Just connect it here. It depends on you on how you connect your work. So this is it. So if you want to add more, you can add more. And yes, it depends to you if you want to add more, especially like this. If I want to add more, I can add. So I'm gonna show you also if I want to add more. Okay, but it depends to you if you want to add or not. So let's make again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then after that, let's make 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, we have 1 post in the next chain here or here. Let's make 2, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's make 2 double crochet in each stitch, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then I'm gonna show you until here. Okay, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 double crochet in each stitch and until here. Then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So let's continue. Till here. The same process here, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's make 2. Then the next one, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So insert here, So you're finished your work, so you have to cut. You can cut. Then after this, make like that. Or then after this, guys, we will start to make also for our, so I'm gonna show you also.